trail moving from the lodge up to the chimp tracking. What's special is that you can view many species of birds and animals, and the sound of the gorge. It's beautiful.
Chimpanzees can use the sounds to communicate. They hit with their hands here on the root. It produces a very loud sound. I'm seeing some small babies. 5 chimpanzees in one tree on the other side of the river.
Kyambura itself, it's a beautiful place. It's a place where you'll feel comfortable and you'll definitely be welcomed.
The Kyambura Gorge is tiny, but it's a little lost jewel. It has this sunken riverine forest, and the magical atmosphere in it is indescribable.
When you are silent, nature will give you its best.
Putting out camera traps was very exciting. Being able to see wildlife that you otherwise might not have known was there.
By extending the habitat of the Kyambura Gorge, we have made sure that there's greater habitat available for all these animals, a greater sanctuary.
Queen Elizabeth is such a special park. Monitoring these lions is quite essential. Rachel, let's try from here. It's kind of complex because you need to cover large distances. We, of course, appreciate and thank the guests who come to volcanoes because you're the reasons why lions are still thriving in this area. It's that small contribution that you make that actually changes everything.
In addition to the chimps, there are all the other animals that use the gorge. We see, for example, elephants on a regular basis in this area. This was not happening before. This is symbolic and important to us because we believe landscapes like this can only work if there are key partnerships.
The Jane Goodall Institute is delighted to work with the Kyambura Gorge Ecosystem project to develop community-led conservation, especially through ecotourism, to support the future of these chimpanzees whilst working to create economic livelihood for the villagers.
This part of the Queen, it's the only region in Africa where you find the savanna grasslands, we have the woodland, and then we have the tropical rainforest in the gorge. It just makes me happy and it's just magical.